Set 1. Feelings. How are you today? I am happy today. How do you feel? I feel great. Are you excited? Yes, I am very excited. Are you sleepy? No, I am not sleepy. Are you hungry? Yes, I am a little hungry. Set 2. Likes. Do you like cake? Yes, I like cake. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I love ice cream. Do you like pizza? No, I don't like pizza. What food do you like? I like chicken and rice. Do you like fruit? Yes, I like fruit. Set 3. Time and routine. When do you wake up? I wake up at 6. Do you brush your teeth? Yes, I brush my teeth. When do you go to school? I go to school at 7. How do you go to school? I go to school by bike. When do you go home? I go home at 3. Set 4. At school. Is your teacher nice? Yes, she is very nice. Is English easy? Yes, English is easy. Do you like your class? Yes, I like my class. Is school fun? Yes, school is fun. What do you do in class? I listen to my teacher. Set 5. Can. Ability. Can you read? Yes, I can read. Can you write? Yes, I can write. Can you run fast? Yes, I can run fast. Can you swim? No, I can't swim. Can you draw? Yes, I can draw well. Set 6. Family. Who do you live with? I live with my family. Do you have a brother? Yes, I have one brother. Do you have a sister? No, I don't have a sister. Is your family big? No, my family is small. Do you love your family? Yes, I love my family. Set 7. Home. Where do you live? I live in a house. Is your house big? No, it is small. What is in your room? There is a bed and a desk. Is your room clean? Yes, it is clean. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a dog. Set 8. Free time. What do you do after school? I play with my friends. Do you watch TV? Yes, I watch TV. Do you play games? Yes, I play games. What is your favorite game? My favorite game is tag. Do you read books? Yes, I read storybooks. Set 9. Food and drinks. What's your favorite snack? I like cookies. What do you drink? I drink water. Do you like pizza? Yes, I like pizza. Do you like vegetables? Yes, I like vegetables. Are you hungry now? Yes, I am hungry now. Set 10. Review sentences. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Can you jump high? Yes, I can jump high. Do you play sports? Yes, I play sports. Is your school near? No, it's a little far. Where do you play? I play at the park. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.